Press clock to enter time setting and press previous or next to select hours. Then repeat those previous steps to set minutes and time format. Finally, press clock to confirm it. Press alarm to enter alarm setting and press previous or next to select hours. Then repeat those previous steps to set minutes and ringtones. Notice, the P06 ringtone is the last played radio station. Scroll volume control to adjust volume when ringtone is playing. Finally, press alarm to confirm it. When the alarm goes off, press R9BT to get 9-minute snooze. Then you can press alarm to stop the alarm and it will go off the next day. Long press alarm for 2s to turn alarm off and the alarm icon will disappear. Long press alarm for 2s to turn alarm on and the alarm icon will appear. Manual searching. Press FM to turn on the FM radio. Press previous or next to select stations. Scroll volume control to adjust volume. Finally, press FM to turn it off. Auto searching. Press FM to turn on the FM radio. Long press FM for 2s to scan and autosave stations. After the auto scan completed, press previous or next to select the preset stations. Scroll volume control to adjust volume. Finally, press FM to turn it off. Press BT to turn on Bluetooth. Connect R9BT-RA to your phone. Press BT to play/pause. Then press previous or next to switch music. Scroll volume control to adjust volume. Finally, long press BT to turn it off. When the radio or Bluetooth is on, press this button to enter and select preset duration, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours or off, to auto turn off. Then during timing process, press it to view remaining duration. Charge with a bare iPhone or phone with a phone case equipped with MagSafe for magnetic charging. Scroll display dimmer to brighten or dim the display brightness. Simultaneously hold previous and auto off timer for 2 seconds to restore factory settings.